Hello my darlings, I'm taking you to another adventure today. I'm so excited. I'm part of a DIY fall challenge hosted by amazing Heidi Sonboul. If you haven't checked her channel by now, please do so. She's amazing. And along with that, it's gonna be amazing playlist with amazing creators. Let's just get started. DIY number 1. I have this sign from Hobby Lobby purchased months ago, and now it's the time to remake it. So after I'm sanding it very well all over, I'm gonna use 2 good coats of Elephant Waverly chalk paint. When that is done, I'm using these wooden letters from Dollar Tree, previously painted with Nimbus Waverly chalk paint, and we're gonna make a sign that it says Market. So I'm gluing them with a Gorilla hot glue, and when all that is done, I'm using a teeny brush with the Nimbus paint, and I'm making lines on the end of the sign, just like so. And our sign is gonna look so high-end, beautiful for our fall. And that's it for this DIY. It's beautiful. DIY number 2. I got a bunch of styrofoam pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I couldn't find the white ones, so I'm using all this. I'm painting them with white Waverly chalk paint. I gave 2 good coats of that. And when all that is done, I have this beautiful printed out material from Walmart. Bought it for a couple of cents. And I got these transfer on stickers from Dollar Tree, so we're gonna make some decoration on our pumpkins. On this one, I'm just using a transfer on sticker, just like so. Super easy, super fancy pumpkin for fall. And on top, we're gonna use lamb ear leaves, so it can be Farmhouse classic pumpkin for fall. For the rest, I cut out some pieces from that material, and I'm gonna decoupage it with a Mod Podge. So I'm using a Mod Podge, and I'm putting the material on the pumpkin. And on top as well, I'm using a lamb ear leaves as well. Same thing for the third one. Beautiful prints from that material. Same step. Same on the fourth one as well. Leaves, and that's it. For the last one, I'm using the rest of the material to cover the pumpkin, so we can have varieties of different pumpkins. I put some berries on top and some leaves, and here you go. Our DIY number 2 is done. For DIY number 3, I have these wooden plaques. I found them at Walmart. It says drawer separators, but to me they look like a sign. So I got them. They were on sale for a couple of dollars, and I have those wooden plaques, round plaques from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna glue that on the bottom with a wood glue and a crazy glue on the side. And after that, I'm gonna give a good coat of elephant chalk paint, just like so. When that is dry, I'm using these letters from Dollar Tree, And we're gonna make a sign that it says Autumn Breeze. After I added those letters, I'm adding a Nimbus chalk paint on top, and we're gonna let it dry a little bit. When it's all dry, I'm gonna remove the letters so we can have an elephant background on our letters, just like so. Beautiful signs. And whenever the paint didn't caught, I'm gonna do it with a brush all over just to make our letters nice and neat. And that's it. Look how pretty it looks. DIY number 4. I'm using this wooden plaque from Walmart, purchased for $1 something, removing those clips, sanding where we remove the clips, and we're gonna put on top this beautiful windmill, metal windmill from Dollar Tree. Previously, I painted Nimbus Waverly chalk paint, and we're gonna glue this windmill sign on top with a crazy gorilla hot glue. And on the bottom corners, we're adding those lamb ear leaves and pieces of cottons. And that's it. Our wooden sign is done. What do you guys think? I'm really loving it. At the end, with a dry brush, elephant, I'm just distressing all over the sign so we can make this vintagey rustic farmhouse look on our sign. And that's about it about this DIY. Super easy. I had so much fun making all those creations. And I'm gonna let you watching the rest of the reveal. Look how beautiful. I took you to a pumpkin market to the farmhouse. It's gorgeous. What do you guys think? I'm really loving it. I'm really loving this color and all the combinations with the pumpkins, with the lamb ear greeneries, and with the signs. I am really loving it. It was so easy and so fun for me to do it. I hope you guys enjoy watching it too. Don't forget to watch the playlist along with Heidi's channel and all those amazing creators on it. And I hope you guys gonna enjoy all of those creations. And I have another thing. Don't forget to enter for our Bohemian Fall collaboration giveaway. You have until September 6 midnight, and good luck. And now I'm letting you all watching my final reveal. I hope you guys enjoy watching me creating all those beautiful creations. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, positive energy, lots of music from me to you. Bye bye.